today we are out and about around where we live, so this is going to be a video to show you how beautiful the Northumberland countryside is. Right now you can see we're at Prudhoe Castle. Another great place to take a walk to, which is not too far away from us, is Wylam, which is across the river from us. There are 3 or 4 pubs that you can go and have a beverage at. You can walk along the river and take in the beautiful scenery. Another great thing about living where we live is all of the horses that are all around us. You get to come out and say hello to them and give them a nice little stroke. So we are here at the birthplace of George Stephenson, which was the man who invented the steam engines and railways. It's where he grew up, and once again it's very close to where we live. You can easily hop on your bike and go for a nice ride. It goes along the river and it goes past lots of pretty nature scenery.